Hello friends, today I want to discuss a question that I asked very frequently. Sir, I have deposited a large amount of cash into my bank account. Do I need to report this cash deposited in my income tax return? If you have ever had the same question, then this video is for you. So let's start with the answer. So as of now, the income tax return forms do not contain any separate column where you are required to disclose the total amount of cash deposited into your bank account during the financial year. So in simple terms, merely depositing cash into your bank account does not create any separate reporting requirement in your ITR. However, there is very important point that many taxpayers fail to understand. A common misconception is that if something is not reported in the income tax return, the tax department will never know about it. That assumption is not always correct. Banks and financial institutions report certain high value transactions to the tax authority as per the prescribed rules. So therefore, if there are large or unusual cash deposits in your account, the income tax department may already have information about those transactions. So now the real question is, what should you actually be concerned about? The answer is not the cash deposit itself. The real concern is the source of funds. Suppose you deposit rupees 5 lakhs, rupees 10 lakhs, or even a higher amount into your bank account. If the income tax department asks you in the future where this money came from, will you be able to provide a satisfactory explanation? What is your declared income? Was the cash withdrawn earlier and deposited again? Do you have supporting documents to prove your claim? So if the answer is yes, then you can establish the source of funds. Then generally there is no reason to panic. However, if you cannot explain the source of deposit amount, you may face unnecessary scrutiny notices or tax related issue later. So that is why my advice is very simple. Before making any significant cash deposit into your bank account, make sure you maintain proper records, proper supporting documents regarding the source of your money. Always remember this, the income tax department is usually less interested in the fact that money was deposited. What they really want to know is where that money came from. So your focus should be on the cash deposit. Your focus should not be on the cash deposit itself, but your ability to explain and substantiate its source. So if you found this information useful, please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for the more practical insight on the taxation matter. Thank you for the watching.